So the first step, you want to get yourself a hula hoop. So any kind of hula hoop, preferably not too thick. You can get them quite cheaply. And then what you want to do is you want to get some of this string that we used for the dream catchers, if you see my video on the dream catchers. So it's just a white string. You can get it from any arts and crafts store, from Hobbycraft, you can get it on Amazon. And what you do is you just wrap all around the hula hoop. That's your first step.
Do you want to come inside?
Your brother's gonna want to come inside. Now the second dog wants to come in. Right, you're gonna sit down and not be disruptive. Sit down. Sit down. So then we've got these MDF wooden hearts. We got these from a warehouse that supplies shops. So you could probably find them on the internet. If you just Google them, you can probably get some off Amazon and Hobbycraft or any shop like that. So we've got quite a decent sized heart, and we've made sure that it can fit inside of our hula hoop. So what we're going to do now is paint it. So you can colour it whichever colour you like. I'm going to start off with a white. So I've got my System 3 acrylic paints. So I'm going to do it all white, and then I've got my metallic acrylic paints that I've used to do my horseshoes in. That is also another video you can check out. I've been painting some old horseshoes for the wedding as well. So I think I'm going to do some stencils and do my stencils in these metallic acrylics. So let's get this painted, and we'll have to do both sides. So it might take a few coats, we'll see how the paint works. I started off by using the paintbrush just to get the paint, distribute the paint evenly, and then I finished it off with, I don't know if you can see that because of all the shadow, but I finished it off with the sponge just to make it completely even and you can't see any brush strokes, and it'll dry a nice matte finish, which is what I'm after. I don't really want a glossy finish, so it'll give a nice matte finish. So I'll leave that to dry, and then I'll flip it over and do the other side. And then once that's dry, we will do the stencils. Here are the stencils. They came out pretty good. So we just got these stencils offline. They're pretty cheap. You could either use a sponge or a paintbrush. I thought maybe the sponge might move the stencil, but you might find it absolutely fine. So yeah, we'll just wait for these to dry and then we will attach them to the hoops. For that I've got some see-through wire. Well, it's more like fishing line, like a plasticky see-through string. to attach to the hoop. So I'll go and get some flowers and we'll wrap those around the hoops as well.